Hello traders and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis and this is my weekend look at the market trends. And let's get right into it. S&P 500, we had a little bit of an up week. Previous week we finished out of this little bit of a consolidation box, and then we had some continuation this week. So the market is looking very well at this point. No reason to expect anything else. We'll be looking for more continuation. The market is very bullish, so there certainly is the possibility we get a little pullback and maybe test this consolidation box again, but we'll see what happens. The Dow actually had a little bit of a down candle. It tested the consolidation box also, but finished above it, so nothing too much to worry about there. What else to look at? We'll look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ had been the lagger, and it finally broke out of its consolidation box this week, finished above it, so we'll be looking for some continuation. A lot of new highs in the NASDAQ section. We'll look at some individual stocks here in a few minutes. What else are we going to look at in this sector? Let's take a look at our dollar index, and you can see the US dollar is still taking a beating. Another big down candle this week on the weekly chart. I'll be speaking more about weakness in the US dollar when I do a separate video on the Forex trades I am looking at. Next, let's look at Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies had a big reversal candle this week. This is Bitcoin right here, huge reversal candle. What about reversed about $800? I mean, that's a reversal. Anyway, it engulfed 4 previous weeks of action, so we'll see what happens, but it looks like all is happy again in crypto land. We're quite a ways from new highs as far as market cap for the cryptocurrency sector, but Bitcoin is not that far from a new high, so Bitcoin is definitely leading the way here. Next, we'll look at oil, get into our commodities. And there it is. Okay, so we had a down week. We were up early in the week, and then on Thursday and Friday, we sold off. Locally, gas prices spiked by 15, 16 cents a gallon overnight early in the week. Which has been the pattern. You know, we'll get just below $2 a gallon. We were down to $1.99, and then without warning overnight it'll go up anywhere from 15 to 30 cents, and then over the next 2 months it falls back to $2, and so we just had the big up move, but now you can see prices pulling back again. So maybe we're at the start of another down move, or maybe we continue this pattern of down, up, down, up, down. Now that would mean that the next week is going to be up, but we'll see if that pattern continues. Next thing to look at is our gold and silver. Gold, second up week in a row, actually had a pretty good gap opening, and then it finished near its high, so this is looking strong right now. We'll have to see if it can get up here to these old previous highs and actually put in a new high. Silver is still the lagger. Had some good action, but you can see it's a long ways from seeing it make any higher highs, so we'll keep watching that. Gold miners are telling me that this rally isn't going to last because the gold miners are looking very weak. They're still trading inside what looks to be a wedge or a triangle here, and it's not seeing a whole lot of love, and usually the gold miners will lead, and it's not leading right now. Next thing I want to look at is some individual stocks. These is what I call my 9 dream list stocks. We'll start with Alibaba. This is a weekly chart. You can see this thing is strong. This stock is up 73% year to date. A little bit of a solid green candle, so maybe it's getting a little frothy up here. Might need to wait for a pullback here. Very strong. Tesla, even after this 2-week pullback we saw a few weeks ago, it is still up 54% year to date. It's trying to put in a bottom here with a couple up candles, but nothing too big, so we'll have to see if there's any continuation, or do we take another step down from here. Netflix is the big one. It had a huge up week. There we go. And look how this pattern is. You got the nice little pin bar reversal with a couple big candles on either side. I mean, that's a classic morning star pattern, and then you get the big continuation candles. So big move in Netflix. Probably wouldn't chase it right here, but it's definitely one to look at on a pullback. All these that I'm going to be showing you are things to be looking at on any kind of a pullback. Facebook, new all-time highs for Facebook, and you notice it also. You had this reversal candle here after a down week, and then up we go. Amazon, same situation, reversal candle after a down week, and up we go. All new time highs for Amazon. Apple, we did not get the nice reversal candle, and it's struggling to move higher. Google, now Google did get a little reversal candle here, and it's moving higher. Not quite to new highs, but getting very close. Microsoft, reversal candle, and up we go, all new highs. And then we have Walmart. Walmart is suffering a little bit from being in the retail sector, which is extremely weak. It did have a pretty good reversal candle the previous week, but not much continuation. So it's still struggling here. But even if it struggles, it's still up 10% year to date. And I have it in this sector because it's a great stock. If we ever were to go into a recession, this would probably hold up better than most of the others. Anyway, that's what I got for you for this week. I will be posting a Forex trading video a little bit later. Hopefully everyone has a great weekend, and I will catch you later.